everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a great car, man. 1964 Ford Galaxie 500. Buddy of mine, Scott, down in Tennessee, is the one who found me this car. Bought it from an older man who restored this car 5 years ago. Nice car, guys. The way I describe this car, just a good, honest car, man. Good, solid, straight Tennessee body. Car was actually originally California-built car. Now, the paint on the car is older, and, well, I'll get into the interior here. It's got an XL interior, which this is actually a Galaxie 500, but he found an XL interior and put it in this car. But great car, finished in bright white. You can nitpick, there's some little touch-up marks, you know, it shows a little wear on the paint, but still very, very nice. But now he just redid all this chrome and stainless, and it is beautiful on the car. Magnum 500s, he put a 390 in it. It's got the Cruise-O-Matic automatic transmission. It's got air that blows cold. Just a super cool car, man. Runs and drives excellent. Seems like everything on the car works. Like I say, just a good, straight, honest old Ford, guys. And again, look at all this chrome and stainless. You know, normally you look at this stuff and it's just not nice. Look at that. Look how nice that grill is. Chrome that grill. Did a beautiful job on that. Replaced the bumpers. They're very nice. Again, all this stuff, he redid it. Again, it is a Galaxie 500. It's got an XL bucket seat console interior, but it's a Galaxie 500. Paint slick. Again, look at dual chrome mirrors. Look how nice this stuff is. See a little mark in there on your dash. Nope, Mike, open the hood. Again, look how nice that stuff is. Pretty car, man. Body lines are good. Yeah, if you're looking for a nice straight driver, I think you're going to like this car. I mean, this is just a nice car. I love the tail lights on these cars. Boy, the bright work in chrome is just beautiful. Nice and straight down the sides. I mean, look at that car. This car is cool, man. Cooper Cobras all the way around it. Again, Magnum 500 wheels. Those are 15s. Car sits good, goes down the road just awesome. Stock drum brakes. Not the original engine, but he put a 390 in it, 4-barrel stock intake and exhaust manifolds. Does have power steering. Cruise-O-Matic automatic transmission. You can open the doors too, Mike. Yeah, it's just a good car, man. Again, drives out real good. Just a little dust there. Bunch of new stuff coming, guys. Make sure you're watching that website. You know, cars coming in like crazy, so I'm doing my darndest to buy some cars. That acrylichrome's really nice. Again, dual chrome mirrors. Door handles are redone. There's your original Ford tag. Door skins are nice and clean. Like I say, he found an XL bucket seat and console interior. He put it in there. I think it's original carpet. I believe those are original sill plates. Like I say, bucket seat, center console car. Even put the XL steering wheel in there. Crack there. Factory dash cars only got 55,541 miles. Factory dash, all the gauges seem to work. It's got the Selectaire under dash unit that works. Air blows cold. It's got the Retrosounds radio. It's got Flowmaster dual exhaust. Factory rear end with a 300 gear. Sorry, I always missed a little wax if you've seen that on there. I think it's just painted here in the trunk. Yep. Pull that out. Like I say, it's just a good, solid old car, man. Drives out great. I mean, you're looking for a fun cruiser that you don't have to break the bank on, and believe me, these cars are just flying up in value. Just got back from a show and it seemed like everything was $70,000. Nice and clean underneath. Love those taillights, man. Yeah, door skin's nice and clean. And again, you'll see a little age on the interior. This is he didn't replace it or anything. He just got the interior out of an XL, which matched his car correctly. Good car. Same thing with acrylic, really nice. Just one drive, great. Put your air on, Mike. Like I said, the air blows cold, your air kick on. Blows nice and cold. That's just a good car, guys. I drove it earlier. I mean, just nice and straight down the road. Fuel gauge works, speedo work, temperature gauge does work. There's an oil pressure gauge down, aftermarket oil pressure gauge, and it works. Love those taillights. Backup lights work. Give a little rev, Mike. Great sound. It's got an H-pipe Flowmaster dual exhaust system. Blower motor works. Click that radio over. It should, nope, we should just, yep, keep going. There you go. It works. Doors open and close real nice. Wipers, they work. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. You can also check out our Facebook page, our Instagram page. Definitely subscribe to. Hold on, Mike. He's got you blocked up. Sorry, I'm stumped here. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video, guys. We start going now, Mike. There you go. That's just a good car, man. Sits good, got great lines. This is a great body style. Have a great day, guys.